Canvas now allows you to add an image to your dashboard for your course. So previously, where you could only have a color that was edited by clicking on this pencil here and choosing the color you wanted it to have, now you can go in and make that be an image. The way to do this is fairly simple. Go into the course in which you want to add the picture. Once you are in that course, go down to the left at the bottom of the navigation bar and choose Settings. Make sure you are using the Course Details tab. Now you'll notice that at the top of the Course Details is the option to add an image, and this is where you're going to choose the image. And then you'll notice it says for best results, crop the image to 262 pixels wide by 146 pixels tall, and it can be in JPEG, PNG, or GIF file types. So the way to do this, if you just grab any picture and put it up, it will still work. However, part of it's going to be cropped off and you're not going to be able to see. So I'm going to show you how to find a picture on your computer and then rescale it to those dimensions so your entire picture shows up in the screen. I had that picture saved on my desktop, so I'm going to come over here to where it is on my desktop, right click, choose Open With, and I'm just going to open it in Paint. You can resize pictures in many different programs. Paint is already on our devices, so it's fairly simple to do. It opens the picture. Now I'm going to click Resize. I'm going to switch this to pixels, since that's what it said I needed to do. Now, if I change one of these numbers, it's going to automatically change the other because I have maintain aspect ratio. Now, what Canvas wants you to do is not maintain aspect ratio. If you want to fill that space, we're going to have to follow those numbers. So therefore, for horizontal, we're going to do 262. And then for vertical, we're going to do 146. That's what Canvas says is the ideal pixel size. Click OK. It has resized my picture for me. Now I need to save it. File, Save As. You can choose what format you're going to save it. I'm just going to save it as a PNG picture. I'm going to do Sammer Canvas so I can tell the difference between that and the other picture that I have on my desktop. Save it. Close out. Now I have my new one here. Choose my image. Browse my computer. Now I need to find the one I titled Sammer Canvas. Click Open. Now you'll see my entire picture fits within my frame. So if I'm happy with it, I go down, click Update Course Details. Now when I switch back to my dashboard, I should see this picture. However, I'm going to have one problem. I still have the color on my picture. Now, this was a purple course, and that's totally fine. You can keep the colors if you want. We can't totally get rid of the color, but what we can do is go and set the color to be white so you can just see the picture. Now, the picture is still going to have a little bit of a white overlay on it, but you'll still see the picture. So to change that, choose your pencil, come down here to the code for the color, and just type 6Fs. And that's going to be your white. Apply. And now I have my picture with the white over it. And that's how you change your picture with your dashboard. I can now go in and do that with all of my courses. This is a great way for your students to easily recognize your class right off the dashboard based on your image. Enjoy playing around with this feature in Canvas.